All right, what's up, y'all? So basically, the gun sounds I just showed y'all, or that you're about to see, basically you're gonna want to download these two files right here, and this is just for people who don't understand how to put in gun sounds to their 5M. Basically, you get these two files right here. You're gonna come to Steam, you're gonna come to Grand Theft Auto, right click it, manage, browse local files. Once you get here, right, you can go to x64, audio, SFX, then to come here, take these take these two files, and you're just gonna drag and drop it in here. I'm not gonna do it since I already have it, obviously. And then you're gonna replace, and that's literally it. You can load in the 5M, and the gun sounds is gonna be there. So hopefully y'all enjoy.